Hi everyone, this is Frank again, back with Frank's action figure review, and I got a couple finds today. I got lucky on the first one. It was a cheapo thing I got from CVS. I went there to get some laundry detergent and checked out the toy aisle, and found this old school Batman figure, Bend-Ems, bendable, posable Batman. And it's made by the Sunny Days Entertainment LLC. And it's got the DC logo there, so I guess it's approved. But yeah, pretty cool. The Adam West Batman. I like the detail on it. I'm not going to take this one out of the box. I like the way the box looks. Unfortunately, they didn't have any of the other characters right here. It would have been really cool to get a Joker or a Wonder Woman. And Superman. It kind of looks like Bizarro Superman almost. Flash. Yeah, but pretty cool, right? So I'm going to have that hanging on the wall and looking nice. But this next one is one I'm going to have to take out of the box. And I think it's going to be a throwback for everybody. I don't know about you guys, but I was a 90s kid, and the most popular show, for me anyway, and a lot of others, was Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. And I found this bad boy at the drugstore as well, made by Hasbro Toys. It's the Saban's Power Rangers Lightning Collection, Dragon Shield Black Ranger. And as you can see right here, he's got the Dragon Shield, interchangeable hands, interchangeable head. Now back in the day we had the ones you flip and the head would pop up. And those things were kind of awkward looking if you go back and look at them. But man, I would have went crazy over this as a kid. The interchangeable heads, the weapons. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. I'm going to have to find a box cutter real quick. Alright, I'm about to open this one, and it's got a cool box. All you got to do is cut this tape here on the back and pop the box open without damaging the box, so you can put everything back in there. So I'm definitely opening this. It looks like it has really good articulation. And if you look at the back, that's pretty cool. I can't wait to put them in some cool poses like that. Let's get this thing open. Yeah, made that easy to open. Oh man. So yeah, let's pop them out of here. So here he is. And as a kid, I loved all the Power Rangers. My favorite was Tommy, the Green Ranger, and then the White Ranger. But that's pretty cool, just on its own. But then we got his battle axe here. If I can get it out. Gun. Whatever this thing is. And let's see. Okay. All right. So I don't guess this thing can come off. Yeah. So the Dragon Shield, I don't guess, comes off. No reason to take it off. It looks pretty cool on there. It's a little scuffed up right there, but yeah, no big deal. Let's see about this articulation. He can do crunches, back bend. Oh, he's a wrestler now. In the back bridge. Arms. The arms are okay. Kind of hard to move at the elbow. The wrist move. And legs move. much like the Triple H figure, but you could, hard to move that. You can actually put him in a figure 4, cross the legs. You can do a lot with this. And all the karate kicks. All the karate kicks. So let's check out these weapons real quick. So keep them standing. All right. So I don't really know what this is. I guess it's part of the Lightning collection mentioned on the box. There was another action figure with this series that they had at the store, but I didn't buy it. That's just because I wasn't familiar with it, but it looked pretty awesome. I wasn't sure what season of Power Rangers it was from. But I guess this thing is just supposed to, does it go? Ah, I see. Look at that. So when he holds it like a gun, can he actually hold it? And let's see. See if he can hold the gun. Try it in this hand. Sorry about the squeaky chair. It's pretty old and it's been outside for a while, so let's see. Yeah, he can hold it. There he goes. Maybe go this way. All right. That's pretty cool. I'm going to have to get in a stance. Get him I don't know. Anyway, pretty cool. And then he has this gun here. I guess this is his trigger hand right here. He's got this red gun. There he goes. Stick him up. And it goes in the holster right here. And there's a tiny little mastodon. It has the little belt buckle there. A tiny little mastodon head on there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool detail. All right. So that's the weapons. You know, the axe. So does this thing twist or something? It's acting like it's gonna come apart right there. I don't know. I'm sure there's more to that, but anyway, this is one of my favorite things about it. I already pointed out the interchangeable head. Now I like it. This guy's got the earrings and the 90s haircut, and they went with the original look for this Ranger. And I'm gonna pop this head off. It just pops off. And I'm gonna pop on the head without the helmet. Pretty cool. I like that. It looks good with the helmet and it looks good without the helmet, so yeah, old school. And then it's got the interchangeable hands. It's got the karate chop. Actually, it's called a knife hand strike. Let's see. Don't want to break that, but let's install the knife hand. I don't want to break that one either. Alright, he's got his knife hand there. Now, funny thing about, I think it was the original Black Ranger, he was missing one of his fingers on one of his hands. This one has all his fingers, it looks like. Yeah. And this is a fist, so. There we go. All right. So I'm gonna have him do a knife hand strike here in martial arts, in the proper martial arts stance. Articulation isn't bad, but it'd be way easier if I had some pegs to stick this guy on. Anyway. Maybe I'll have better luck with him later. Somewhat right. But yeah. That's pretty much it. And I'm going to throw the helmet back on him. Get him his battle axe and his little gun here. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And just on its own, the weapons are pretty cool. Get him the hands he can hold this with. Now holding this, is this big enough for? Let's see if my hand's big enough to hold it. Well, yeah, I don't know what's going on there. Something's going on with this I gotta figure out. It didn't come with any instructions on the box or anything. I'll just have him holding it like a gun. And that's one thing I loved about Power Rangers too, is they had guns. And it didn't scare me. Nowadays everyone's afraid of guns. Alright. So here he goes. Final pose. Yeah. So I'm going to put that bad boy on the shelf with some of my other guys up there, and I hope that I get to collect the rest of these. I don't know if there's any more in this series, but really cool, really good quality, and it just takes me back. It's nostalgic. Anyway, I hope I didn't bore you guys to death. I hope you stick around in the future. Check out more of my toy reviews. I'm going to be doing more. And there we go. Y'all have a good night.